This is a brand new Mercedes-Benz S-Class 560 SEL. Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek and today I will be unboxing this car from the Norev Collector series, and actually this one, let me just turn it upside down a little bit. This one should be, it doesn't say anything here, here, Mercedes-Benz 560 SEL from 1991, dark blue. Okay, and since I haven't managed to find this one in black, or at least there was one for $500, but it's, 500 bucks, it's not really reasonable to pay for that. I found this one and it was for 100 bucks actually, but it's dark blue. Okay, so yeah, I don't mind so much dark blue, almost black. If you have dark in your room, nobody will even notice that this one is just dark blue. Okay, but the price difference, 400 bucks, you can buy the perfect auto art for this difference in price. So I think you understand what I mean. Okay, so let me just start the unboxing, and yeah, this is brand new, really brand new. It just came in and I'm really happy that I can do some kind of unboxing like this one, because this is what I love so much about models. When it comes and it's new, it smells new, yeah. And oh, look at that, it's so precisely boxed that also here above the roof we have this piece of plastic here, so that even if the post office is making really some bad moves with the box, it will not get hurt. Okay, now I will probably need to cut it. Okay, so let me take my scissors here and do some gentle cuts. Yeah, only here to really remove what is there. Oh, it's all over the back part, but we will just remove it here. Okay, there are 4 screws actually, and it doesn't go easy the way it should be. Okay, so let me just... Okay, I don't have gloves today because I think I don't need them, but I still need to be careful. Okay, so I like this car very much. I don't want to break anything. So, well, look at that, for the first time in my hands. And now I can see that the Mercedes logo is a little bit twisted. Just a little bit twisted, yeah, maybe. I need to do it really careful. Sometimes it's twisted. It's still a little bit twisted, can you see? But okay, I will just fix it later. So that's the very first view for all of you. Okay, it's quite long and it's quite heavy, because it's alloy, and wow, it's very nicely done. So that's my first opinion. A long-awaited 560 SEL. This is made by Norev. And the first thing that I should really mention is that I'm collecting only black limousines and all the black S-Class models, but this is the only exception. It's dark blue. And the reason is the price, of course, because to buy this one in black color, it costs 500 bucks on eBay, and there are maybe 2 or 3 of them. But if you decide to buy this one, it's just a re-edition made by Norev, and they are now everywhere. You can buy not only this one but also brown one, and I don't know, even dark red, and they are like 120 bucks. So you can either have 4 of these in a different color or 1 black. So the decision was quite clear, and cost, yes, cost is a factor in this decision. Okay, so let's first review it, and I'm always starting here in the front, and with the front grille, and actually this one you cannot really see that it would be perforated here, so that's a small disappointment. And then with the headlights, they are quite nicely done, and you can also see here those orange parts, which are also quite nicely done, especially this connection between the main headlamp and here the turning signal. Okay, and then we have also very tiny wipers in there, and maybe let me just change the light here a little bit. Okay, I changed the angle a little bit and also the light because today it's very shiny outside. Okay, so now let's continue here, and what I also want to mention is look at that Mercedes-Benz logo here, or the emblem. Yeah, it's quite huge. And I think it could be a little bit smaller. I don't think that this is really precise 1/18, and it's too thick, in my opinion. But overall, otherwise, everything is nice and clear, and also it has this realistic license plates saying HFSE 420. I don't know what that means because this is 560, and sometimes they put it also on the license plates, but not in this case. Okay, then let's check it from the side, and you can see here wheels are turning, and actually I can feel the rubber, so it's also quite nicely done here. And they, of course, they spin, they turn, everything is realistic. And then, oh, look at that, I still have the sticker here. I just kept it there, so let me then maybe remove it. It's still, the car is really as new. All my models that I have, and then also later some of them I sell, are like new, also this one. So we have a very nice chrome trims here all around the windows, and also the side mirrors. Oh, they look quite okay, and also they reflect as desired, so they look almost real. And I'm not promoting here almost real as a manufacturer of models. Okay, so we have also some parts here, and what is interesting is that we have this, let's say, shiny blue here, and then a little bit made blue here at the bottom. But it's also blue, dark blue. It's not really black. Okay, when we go to the rear of the car, we can see those typical multicolor lights, which have, of course, the braking lights, the turning signals, and also the reverse lights here in the white color. We have the license plates also with those two stamps here in the middle, showing that this car had a technical inspection. And then we have another Mercedes-Benz huge star in the middle. And of course it also says here 560 SEL, and if you are asking why this is underlined, why this line, it's because it's actually only one piece, and Mercedes-Benz decided to produce this as one piece instead of separate letters, because it was a cheaper way how to produce this sign, and I don't know why they were saving money on that. I think today all the nowadays cars, they have it separated and without any attaching line just below the letters. And there's also this interesting part here. There is a piece of antenna here, and I'm not sure if on the real car this antenna would be somehow powered by electricity, and it would go up in case I turn on my radio, or if Norev just forget to put something here, the real antenna. Okay, anyways, sometimes you're also asking me why I'm not showing you the bottom of the car. So here you go. This is Mercedes-Benz 560 SEL, as I already mentioned, by Norev 1/18, and we have also quite some details here. The exhaust, very nicely done here with two actual exhausts here at the rear of the car. And there are also some few more details here in the front, including how these wheels are attached here. So yeah, it's not really bad. Sometimes I don't like when the bottom is only one flat piece, so here we have at least some details. And I think now you are also waiting for me to open that car. So let me first go and open the hood and check what is there any button? No. Sometimes there is a button here to open it, not today. So I will just open it and pay attention that this is opening including the whole front part. Just below that, behind that, you can see two ventilators and also not perforated, so you cannot really see through them. And then behind you can see this typical engine. This is so old school. Yeah, and nowadays it looks a little bit different, right? So you have one plastic piece here all over the engine, but in the past you could really see here all the metallic parts. And then I don't know if this is the battery or not, why this is orange. Maybe, okay, sometimes I'm also looking for the battery and where you can exchange the oil. Those details should be available on most models, so you can make your opinion here. I'm saying this is something like 7 points out of 10 for this engine bay and what kind of details they have. Okay, so quite nicely done, and for that price tag I'm fully satisfied as well. Alright, so let me also turn it and show you here when I open the trunk, and it's look at that, there is this triangle. Not so many cars have it like this. It's typically folded already in some smaller package, and here we have it like the whole part. And when you actually open the hood, it's already visible. So for the incoming cars, maybe you don't even have to put it somewhere outside of the car. You just open the trunk and oh, here we go. This car probably has some kind of issue. Okay, and if you touch it here, there is also a soft carpeting, so I'm quite satisfied with how they did it here. Okay, and now I think also time to open of course the car. Okay, and I will open all 4 doors so that the maximum light goes in it and we will see all the details, corks and features. Okay, so let me start here directly with the driver's seat, and it's actually very simplified. There are no buttons anywhere, yeah, because in the past they didn't have it. So, oh, what is that? Is this? Oh, I don't know. There is something here with a red color, and I don't know if this is for the emergency, like fire extinguisher, or what actually is that. I've never seen something like that just in front of the driver's seat. Okay, and then when we check also the interior, or here the inside of the doors, it's also dark blue, and I don't find this so attractive, yeah, at all maybe. So everything is the same color. Let me again a little bit zoom here to the doors, and not so many details. There's no leather, no wood. Yeah, it's very simplistic. And also here inside, because this is already a vintage car, by the way, okay, so we should not expect any modern features like, I don't know, some LCD screens, all automated. Yeah, we are lucky that it has air conditioning. You can also see here that it has also air conditioning here, of course also in the front, and we can see some buttons here. The steering wheel, which is connected to the front wheels, of course, it's working. And then we have the shifting gear and something in the middle. We also have the mirror inside, which is quite nicely done, and that's basically it. So don't expect any miracles. I think this is still a very good model, so I like it. I'm not saying that I don't like it. No, that's not the case. It definitely has a place in my collection, and if the black one is not below 250, then I will keep this one. Yeah, because it doesn't make really sense to now pay 500 bucks. That's quite a lot of money, honestly, for a black one. If I can have this blue one, which is also quite attractive and I would say very nice. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope you like this model. You can also write me in the comments how much you like it, also from all of the S-Class models that I already reviewed. This one is, I think, very nicely done, and Norev is doing a very nice job here. It's a decent car with a lot of features. Also, the wipers here barely visible, but I can still touch them and see them. Of course, they don't move. Okay, so maybe one more last thing before I finish. There is also this roof with this roof window which cannot be opened, and what sometimes I also review is the gas door which is here, and also you can see where it is, but it cannot be opened anyway. So only few of the models that I have this feature where you can open both the sunroof and also the gas door. Okay, so I'm now closing all the doors. Thank you very much for watching, and now it's only time for the final rating. Hello everyone, welcome to External Star. To External Star channel. My name is Marek, and today it seems like I am not able to speak anymore.